Hey there guys, welcome to KSED's double box break number 554 of 13-14 totally certified. Last thing ending the break was the Edmonton Oilers on May 22nd at 8:34 p.m. Eastern Time. So eBay's current date and time. Click reload. It's currently Friday, May 23rd at 12:31 a.m. Eastern Time. Our live on Breakers TV here as per normal for breaks. 554. And these are boxes 7 and 8 from the case, and our serial numbers are NE1908 77113 and 0566443. NE1908 77113 and 66443. That's our second one. Shrink wrap. Let's see. That's around here. Let's get back into. On to box number 1. 7113. How are you doing, Mikey? And tomorrow we'll be doing the breaks a little bit later, just so you are aware of that, Mike. Or I wouldn't even bother coming around midnight because I'll probably be driving to good old Edmonton, then Calgary for that sports show there. Good luck, guys. Got Elias Lindholm, and just had a reminder for everybody in this break, these rookies non-serial numbers are not shipped, so if you do want them, all I ask you to do is cover postage. If you have hits going to you, I will include them in your package. We got Louis Eriksson clear cloth out of 100 for the Bruins. Nice. No, I'm driving out to Edmonton tomorrow evening. We got Zach Redmond. And we have social signatures of Jake Gardiner for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Bring it back in oil can. We got Anton Rosal, Dallas Stars, regular rookie. And we have rookie jersey auto Michael Bernaval for the Canadiens. And just the province of Alberta is Grand Prairie is more known for their oil than Edmonton. Totally a Ruby of Jimmy Howard, 22 of 25 for the Red Wings, so these ones are shipped. And we have a gold rookie of Tomas Hertl, 21 of 25 for the Sharks. To kind of focus there, it is gold. It's a very nice hit there for San Jose. And another hit still. Certified or totally certified jersey of Duncan Keith for the Chicago Blackhawks base. On to box number 2. 6443. Emerson Edom, regular rookie for the Ducks. Rookie roll call jersey of Morgan Riley, the Toronto Maple Leaf. Base. We have another Michael Bernval for the Canadiens, which we should go with your hit. And another totally certified jersey of Matt Stajan for the Calgary Flames. Base. Should be a good finish to this box. So that plumper pack is going to be the rookie for somebody. LA Kings rookie of Tanner Pearson. And not too bad. Rookie jersey auto of Justin Schultz for the Edmonton Oilers. Justin Schultz. Base. On to our last pack, which is a plumper. We got Patrick Kane, 15/50, the Blackhawks. We have Mark Arcabello for the Edmonton Oilers. There's a lot of hits in this pack. Social signatures of Victor Hedman, the Tampa Bay Lightning. And finish the break off with patch. JT Miller for the New York Rangers. 19/50. Oh, I guess it's a prime version. Nice 3-color prime. And base. So that concludes the break, guys. So we got totally certified again tomorrow. Boxes 5 and 6 of Dominion, win on rookie, short rookie, and book hit.